Hello everyone, welcome to this Rhino architecture course. This is a course that starts from zero and takes you to the professional level. Now let us start the first tutorial. I have already provided all of the files from our website and you can download it there. Let's go to the Rhino file first. If you turn on your software from your desktop, you find your Windows looks like this. And let's start from the top of the Rhino. You will find we have File, Edit, Views, Curve, Surface, Solid, Mesh, and a lot of options that you can choose. Turn on the first one, you will find it is very similar to your other CAD softwares. There is New, Open, Save, Save As, and Import, then something else. And we have some other tools like Curve, Surface, and Solid tools. These tools are very similar to your left side tools bar. And from the top to the bottom is the Lines tools, Edit Surface tools, Volume tools, and some Transform tools like Explode, Join Together, something like that. And you don't have this bar because this one is very plugin. It's a plugin software, and you don't have this one too. This is the Inkscape plugin. Both of them are rendering plugins. You can render your image later. I will teach you. Okay, just delete them. Cool. We just do know the very basic knowledge for Rhino in this tutorial. And we have 4 viewports: the top view, the front view, the perspective view, and the right view. Each of them, you can go in of it. See, if you right-click, rotate your mouse, you will find you can rotate your view. And also, if you press Shift on your keyboard and right-click and drag your mouse, you can move your view. Okay, it's very cool. Similar principles in the other views. And also, you can zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. Okay? Then let us import this tutorial file. Go to the file and then import. Click it. And select to know Rhino view windows and mouse function. Click open. And now you will find we have already import our models. Double click perspective. If we look at these 3 boxes from outside, can you see any difference from them? Not actually, right? Let me introduce some interesting display mode. We can click this small triangle and there are many display modes. We can go wireframe, we can go shaded, rendered, ghosted. Now you will find there are some spheres inside of these boxes, right? You can't see them in the shaded mode. But please remember, even we can't see these sphere volumes inside of these boxes, but they are still there. If we go ghosted mode, we can see them. Cool. But usually we set the shaded mode for the perspective view. And also if you see the top view, we have the same modes. We can choose rendered, shaded, or wireframe. But for top view, front view, right view, we usually set them into the wireframe mode. Okay? And there is one more comment bar. If we want to draw a line, we can input line and you can choose what you want. I will show you this comment later. Comment bar is also very important in Rhino. Well, this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time.